Hello guys, Digital Bike 13 here, and today, I know this is pretty weird. I am doing a video on another thing. This is a video on, there's this app called Zedge. I like it. This is where I get all my ringtones, everything. My wallpapers, that's the, probably you guys like metal. Or if you guys don't like that, you guys probably like turn down for what? Or if you don't like that, there are categories like alternative, blues, Bollywood, children, Christian, and gossip, which I think that's basically like religion. I don't use it, I don't like it. That's the classical comedy, contact ringtones, country, dance, electronic, entertainment, games, hip hop, holiday, jazz, Latin, message tones, news and politics, others, pets and animals, pop, R&B and soul, rage, I don't know how you spell that, rock, sayings, sounds, effects, and world. Like, I'll show you guys mine. I don't really care. So here we go. It's Bad to the Bone. If you don't know what that one is, it's this one. Yeah, I like those. I like rock music. And also, I play on Xbox 360. Look, it's kind of like a heart. It's like the Xbox, the whole entire Xbox. It's like the body. And of course, I like Iron Man. Like, as a character. Why is there so many commercials? Really? Go away, commercials. Nobody likes you. Okay, that's Iron Man. I think that's that's from the second one. That is when I forgot what his name was. Well, that's when he steals, basically when they start a fight, Tony Stark and the other dude. And yeah, so guns. I like Dragon Ball Z, Back to the Future, a bunch of stuff. John Cena. And his name is John Cena. Yeah, a Dodge Challenger. It's a nice blower. Dang it. My name is just. This is my background right now. The Flying Dutchman for Pirates of the Caribbean. I really love those movies. Really. I have a Mustang. Also, if you guys like remixes, this is where you guys should be. Yeah, like as you can see, these are all mine. Like the one that I downloaded, not my. And here is the all the like icon thingies for wallpapers, live wallpapers, ringtones, notifications, games, and icons. The icon pack. I don't really want it. If I actually find a nice one, a cool one, I'll get it. But right now, as I'm looking through it, none of them are really satisfying me. Categories. Okay, let me call them categories in her. What did I press? Camera context. Oh. Instagram. I get it now. Here's like the official, the actual Instagram logo. That geek out one is in the middle of the screen. And the fun house at the bottom left hand corner. There you go. I'm gonna wallpapers. Wait, no, I don't. No, I shouldn't have. Like, should I? No. I said nice. Oh, that's a really nice waterfall. 3D car, really good. Not really. I like cars, as you know. Oh, engine. I have to. Yeah, the reason I can't like download stuff from these live wallpapers because you have to download another app, which really sucks. Look at the V8 engine. That's not. Is that a V8? Yeah, it's a V8. No, sorry, that's a V12. Notifications. Pikachu. And yeah, I guess I'll end this video here, guys. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up. If this is your first video seen by me, I know I've only, posted like 12 videos, but still, if this is your first video seen by me, subscribe if you like them. Subscribe. See you guys. Hoo-ha!